The 2024 Chrysler Pacifica, a milestone in minivan history. As Chrysler begins production of the 2024 Chrysler Pacifica, it's not just introducing a new minivan, it's commemorating a remarkable milestone, the 40th anniversary of the minivan itself, a segment that Chrysler pioneered. Cast your mind back to November 2, 1983. When the first generation of minivans made their debut, with the Plymouth Voyager emerging from the Windsor Assembly Plant in Ontario, Canada. Little did anyone know that this moment would pave the way for over 15 million Chrysler, and later, Stellantis minivans sold worldwide. Not only did Chrysler introduce the first minivan to the market, but it has also consistently pushed the envelope, introducing innovative features that have defined the segment. For the 2024 model year, the Pacifica lineup receives several updates, including a new sepia interior color for the premium Pacifica Pinnacle model, along with two fresh exterior colors, Red Hot and Baltic Gray. The Pacifica plug-in hybrid lineup is expanding to include the Pacifica plug-in hybrid Select and Pacifica plug-in hybrid Pinnacle models. Moreover, the 2024 Pacifica models come equipped with an emergency vehicle alert system (AVIS) as part of the Uconnect 5 platform. This invaluable feature provides drivers with critical notifications about nearby emergency vehicles and other roadway hazards directly through the vehicle's cluster and touchscreen. Chris Fuel, the CEO of the Chrysler brand at Stellantis, expressed pride in the brand's role in shaping family memories and emphasized the enduring relevance of the minivan. Looking forward, Chrysler is committed to an all-electric vehicle portfolio by 2028. Over the years, the automaker has consistently pushed the boundaries of the minivan segment with innovations such as the stow-and-go seating and storage system, Uconnect Theater, dual hands-free sliding doors, and the hybrid electric powertrain. Recently, Chrysler celebrated the production of the 100,000th Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid, which remains the only plug-in hybrid in its segment. This achievement represents a significant step as Chrysler progresses toward an electrified future. The 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and Pacifica plug-in hybrid will start arriving at dealerships in October, marking yet another chapter in Chrysler's incredible 40-year journey of minivan excellence.
Get